Hello, welcome to the Busy Ape series. Back to the busy apes. And you too. Hello, you. You who never understands a word I fucking say. Welcome back. Yes, but the show is much more heavily based, of course, around yourself. So what we're doing, we'll start on the 1 minute time frame. We'll look at GME and we'll say, excellent close. Came up here, tested resistance, what you put in resistance. Over here it was support. Previous to that it was resistance, significant area all round. As price is at an inflection point. It's come into this one from bullish move, sticking within the bullish control zone. DMI, you can see pushing up above 38, and seems like there's positive momentum on the MACD, though it is very skinny like that, and it lifts. Look together and feel alright. Cool, yeah. Maybe momentum then takes a pause because we're up at resistance. Like we say, it's a 1 minute time frame, also shut up. 15 minutes. Back above this potential ascending triangle. Like to see it. Nice to see you. Nice. Okay, this move in a very bullish thrust. Testing resistance, perhaps breaking it. I'd suggest that looks good for a break. When you're looking at for it to actually break this 886 on an opening close on a really higher time frame than now, at least an hourly, before you take a trade off the back of it. But then that's because we don't buy at resistance. At that point it would be support, and then you could buy it. But previous to that we buy at support, which is why we buy it and get the best deals. That's why we get the best deals. What? 30 minutes? Yeah, that is good, right? Weakening negative momentum and positive momentum. Yeah, sure, whatever, right? It's normal to see retrace when you get at the top side of these things. Is it potentially something like this? Wait and see, folks. Wait and see. This 886, this area here, is important at 223, 22250, whatever it is. 226, and you're looking for a home and drive, especially on a daily time frame. We'll get there. Skipping it early. Hi, well, it's the Busy Ape series. Can't do everything all the time for everybody, all the time, forever, never. Is this actually a negative formation? No, but it does suggest that a retest of lower levels is possible around 185, your 200 period moving average, and like your previous support. That's possible, and that might happen if you fail to break above that 886 we mentioned earlier. Daily, opening, closing, where were we seeing same levels as before, I suspect. What new information do we get on the daily? Well, your support and resistance zones up around 225, 226. This is actually more important than the ones we defined slightly lower down. See that from the daily. I'm going to the 3 day. No, we won't. Jokes. We've got the weekly time frame. We can see, we had a really good week there. Straight through all of that. It was a very liquid zone, really. This is where the real decisions are made. Between these two zones, that's around 177. Above there, you're around 100, 200, and same area, 225, 226. Weekly is very interesting for the same reasons. Open and close above that. Boom. You'll have also broken this. People say that isn't real. And I say things to people far more offensive than that, so I'm hardly going to blame them, right? I'm going to give them a hard time for saying something like that. It's like, on a weekly time frame, the way. So it's real as fuck, if you ask me. Right, so that's real. This is real as fuck, and when you look at it, it's just another example of everything we've been looking at before, right? It's an equilateral triangle. Technically, it could go either way, and the chances of, determining which way that'll be is up to you, and you'd manage it after breaks rather than before, and what you hope. And otherwise, then you'll be buying it all the time. In which case, you're buying it as support, and that was down here. So that's what you're thinking when you're looking at that. Let's see if it does and pays off for all your hard work for buying it earlier. And your ultimate extensions on this are fucking miles up there, and that's not a joke at all. When I'm looking at that, and my mouse is where it is, right. 1,100, 1,370, 600, 550. And before that, 333. Other numbers like 343. Really nice numbers. That's what's happening there. AMC closed at 47.13. Nice. Nice to see it up there. Though you want to break above the 886, same deal on that Fibonacci. You want to get above that. That comes in at around 47 something. So an open daily and close above there. Right, you're right at the top of that zone at the minute. You are though inside this positive channel and came out of this positive move, and it may be that you revert to the overall trend on the larger time frames on the weekly on this. It may well be happening. Let's see, but you have to break above that 886 and open and close on the daily above it will take you to these measured move targets right back up at your previous highs at $65 and above, and then the move on this is up at around like 97, 137. If you can break those sort of levels, then you're looking at extensions, massive extensions, like on this move alone, you're looking at it could easily shoot up. Well, mid-level of this channel, another higher high, and that 1414. You know, it's going to just over $100. That's what's happening on AMC. It's going there. It really is. Like, and we'll find out whether or not that's definitely happening soon, because it's in decision period. Daily time frame breaking into the bullish control zone. Fantastic. Strength of trend here, picking up. That strength is to the top side. Momentum picking up on the MACD, continuation of that, what we saw. Good idea. Trend change has changed. Let's see, higher high in RSI. At what point you break through these extensions at the 1618 up at like $55. 55 is the level we're looking at on the 4 hour. 55, break 55. Just below now, lower time frames, you can see that $47, $48 target. 886, 47 and change. You want to open and close above there, and then you're looking at those other areas we talked about, looking to the downside. I don't know, you've got 50 minute, your 200 period moving average, you've got a period of diagonal supply that looks like it's relevant across multiple time frames. You've got what looks to be a reversal in play. You've got to see this go back above its previous resistance here and break into the bullish control zone, and that's likely to happen as price action breaks support, break resistance. So that's fucking fantastic. You won't even need to test it as support because of the nature of the low it put in, which is why trades at this area can have such a positive velocity, for such a positive effect on your account. The wave velocity, whatever, right? Some people understand me, but okay, great. So that's it, and I've got to go and do a show now, helping at Rocky's Place. So that's the Busy Ape series. I've recorded it. Hopefully it's helpful. And if it's not out tonight, it's up tomorrow morning before market opens, as always. You can always tune into it here. Thank you for everyone for tuning in, and thanks for everyone for looking at everything, staying around, hitting like, and being so good to me, and all the donations and all the support. And if I've missed stuff, I'm sorry, I never mean to. And I'll see you later. You guys are all, thanks so much for putting up with my nonsense as well. Haha! I know not everybody does, so thanks. And if you do, you and me probably get on really well if we get on the internet, because I'd be able to listen to you better, which is also another advantage of those classes on Rocky's Discord, because I interact with people a little bit better. And like, anyhow, cool. See you soon if you money, big time. See you soon. Love yous all. Love yous. Excellent. Thanks. I'm sorry I missed everything. Thanks to everybody who did anything to help me. I've got to go. Thanks. Where's the buttons? Here they are. Thanks.